Rahim. Dear audience, with full respect, I would extend my greetings and best wishes to all of you. You are most welcome to my channel Tehqiqat Qasmi. In today's session, I, with Almighty willing, inshallah, shall explain and profess how the medical science in its early stage initiated and how it got under practice and expanded. And before it having understood comprehensively, I shall address some preliminary discourse that will highlight the beginning of medical science or herbs knowledge. My dear friends, it is significant as well and axiomatic, or you may say self-evident fact, that the human being is a compound of an inorganic body and soul. The inorganic body activated, governed, exhilarated and cared by soul. And we all know that the soul is an eternal one, never die. Only inorganic body tastes the death, followed by corpse, decomposition, and eventually non-existence, completely ruined, destroyed, and transformed into soil, which is origin of Hazrat Adam alayhi salatu wassalam, and his creation's material cause. Henceforth, there is a law of nature that says the starting as well as lasting point of everything is the same. The starting as well as lasting point of everything is the same. Anyway, for the guidance of both soul and body of mankind, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Almighty Exultant, started to send the prophets, messengers, Anbiya alayhimus salam, with his message towards mankind, whose chain and succession was highly selected, sincere most, utmost hardworking, and striving, perfectly innocent, with full honesty. They delivered the whole Creator's message to his servants. At this juncture, I have to expose that the total number of messengers, which is around 124,000, has been grouped into the two sects. One of them called Takwini Anbiya, namely messenger leading creation knowledge of universe to human race of their time. Takwini Anbiya, namely messengers or prophets leading creation knowledge of universe to human race of their time. And second group called Tashri'i Anbiya. Tashri'i Anbiya means messengers, informative tenets of faith for mankind. For longevity of time, here I am going to end my talk. Tomorrow, inshallah, I will address the rest and left out subject, and I will complete that. So you are very earnestly requested to share this important subject or topic to others, with others, and to contribute the same to others. And for further videos.